Hi everyone, welcome to Cocktails with Rotunda. So I really wanted to start by saying thank you for ordering our St. Patrick's Day package. Today we're going to be showing you the Black Velvet. So you should have received your half bottle of champagne and your can of Guinness. And you want to make sure that these are nice and cold before you start. Just make sure that it's in two separate jugs. So if you do this, it'll just not fizz up too much. I'm going to start by adding our Guinness into our glass. So we're going to half fill the glass with Guinness. And then once we've done that, we're just going to finish it off with the champagne. So nice and slowly, and fill it up. And as you can see, because we've changed the champagne from the bottle to the glass, it will just pour nice and steadily. And that is it, guys.